Hey guys, now it's time to start a discussion about enum classes. So what are enum classes? In Java, an enum class is a special type that represents a fixed set of constants. It's declared using the enum keyword, and each constant is typically referred to as an enumeration. Enum classes are useful for defining a collection of related constants and providing a more structured way to work with them in your code. So let's open IntelliJ IDE, and I will go down here. I will type enum day, and I'll type here the enum constants Sunday, and we separate them by comma. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now we can go up here and we can type here day, today equals to day dot Friday. And I'll type here switch. You can use the enum classes in our switch statement. So I'm gonna put switch here, today, and I'm gonna say case, and as you can see we have our constants here. Case Monday, it's gonna say SOUT, it's Monday. Case Thursday, I'm gonna say SOUT, it's Tuesday. Let's put default. There is no Monday or Tuesday. Alright, let's run this. And to get there is no Monday or Tuesday because none of our condition is matched. Alright, this is our discussion about the enum. You can use the enum class when you want to represent a fixed set of constants in your code, and you can use it in conjunction with the switch statement. I am gonna end this video here and see you on the next video.